Good evening, gentlemen. I know I promised you a TRS-80 Model 4P video, and I actually have it recorded. I just haven't gotten around to editing it yet because there's a lot of stuff, and I'm too much of a spurg to edit because it's boring. You know how I am. But this is a Heathkit ET-3300 laboratory breadboard. It is a powered breadboard system, as you can see, powered. There's a giant rainstorm in progress right now, if you hadn't heard, so sorry about that. I will start by sticking some pin headers down in here so I have something that my meter can poke at. So here's the 5-volt rail. As you can see, it is working like it is supposed to. We go over here to the negative 12-volt rail though. Oh no! Oh no! There's nothing. There's nothing. We go over here to the positive 12-volt rail, and it's reading like negative half a volt. What the fuck, man? What the fuck, man? Let's try this ground over here just to be sure. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Now, something wrong with the power supply in this thing. Let us see if we can figure out what. Let us see what horrifying sights await us within. That probably has fuses in it. I'll bet you $1. Perhaps that is all that is wrong. Well, I see a line fuse. I do not see any regulatoires. They must be up there on that board. Let us test the continuity of the fuse, just to be certain. Yep, it's not the fuse. Damn it, man. Here are a couple of big capacitators there, but I see no evidence of leakage. I suspect it's a voltage regulator. Well, I do see regulators. Let's see. If we try to power this with it just sitting here like this, we're going to have a short circuit and a big kaboom. We do not want that. I see a bunch of diodes here. Perhaps we should check these diodes. So I didn't check for AC on those supply lines. Oh, get on the lead, shithead. Well, the diodes appear to be okay. Put this up here where we don't blow something up. I don't think anything's touching now. What could possibly go wrong? What could possibly go wrong? Nothing. Nothing to kapow. Nothing to worry about. It's cool that it has a neon lamp, isn't it? Pretty neat, oh. We should see some DC voltage on there. That's that test point P that we were talking about, right there. And we should see an AC voltage on this side of these two diodes, right? So If I check AC voltage on the ass end of the rectifier bridge here, we've got 15 volts AC coming in here. Alright, now we switch to DC. We look at the other side of the rectifier. We got nothing. Nothing on these two rectifier diodes. Nothing. We do have something on these. We have our 19 volts back here. Well, I forgot to turn the camera back on when I fired up the desoldering gun, but you guys have seen it all before. So it's fine, right? Yeah. So, these are 2N 4002s that I am putting in here as replacements. That should be just fine. Famous last words. Such big traces, I figured I ought to use the big boy for that. I wasn't sure my little pencil iron would do the job. Well, let's hope I wasn't completely full of shit on that one. It's happened plenty of times before, though, so, you know. YMMV, bro. Alright. Let's insert it and hook up our ground. Hey, 10.5 volts. Hot diggity damn. And I'll bet this adjusts it. 12 volts. All right. That'll probably drift as things get warm, but that's fine. 5 volts. Hey! Well, that appears to have fixed the negative 12 volt side too. Oh, yeah, I guess. No? Now, why on earth would that be? Oh! Oh, I see. Let me switch to the schematic. I am such a dumb ass. Oh my lord, you guys were probably screaming. Well, Heathkit ET-3300 powered laboratory breadboard. Good stuff. Pretty neat. Oh, by the way, before I forget, I've got a Discord server and a Matrix server, and they're sort of bridged together, except the bridge is fucked up, but you should come and join it, and we can talk about old computers and fun stuff like that. I've also got a subscribe star, but I've not been very good about posting stuff lately, so I'm not going to show that. Okay, but you should come and join the Discord anyway, and we can have a good old time. It's out of control. It's politically incorrect and terrible. It's full of terrible, awful people, and I myself am part of the problem. So come along and keck with us. Okay, bye.